So like, do you wash your meat?
I wash my meat. What you
Yeah.
talking about?
Do you wash your meat?
Yeah, I wash my dick. What's up with you?
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share, and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Oh, you mean people don't know say your boy Yaadman Etan, I'm out there saying at Kennesaw State University. You know what going today? I am not only Yaadman Etan, but I also go by Chef Boy Yardy, because I don't know, say, we can do some things in the kitchen. Is it me I say? But hear me I say, no, man, I have one problem with the CDC. Because the CDC, the Center of Disease Control, them come tell bad man say it is dangerous to wash your meat before you cook it. Now, here what I go now, a complete that. Alright? So here what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around the place and I'm gonna ask some people, some Americans and some non-Americans, if them wash their meat and how them wash their meat. Watch your boom. We have another collaborator upon this. Watch it.
Yeah, well, I don't know the Negus over there at KSU, you know what I'm saying? I will find out if these people wash their meat. Me wash my meat, you see me, because the girl them like when your meat clean, you know what I'm saying? Can't have no cheese on it or nothing like that. Is it? Another time I be there? Cut this, brother. Alright, well, I don't know the Negus, and we're here with the beautiful
Melody,
And where are you from, darling?
Nigeria. Tolu, I'm from Kennesaw.
Henry.
And?
Madeline.
Beautiful. Where are you guys from?
Honestly, around here, Aqua, Georgia.
Gwinnett.
So, boss, where your name and where you come from?
I'm Emmy Freeman. I'm from Canton, Georgia.
Hello there, ma'am. My name is Adrian, and you are?
My name is Jordan.
Hello, Jordan. And where are you from?
I'm from Marietta.
Zion, I'm from Atlanta.
I'm Quinn, I'm from Atlanta.
Drew, I'm from New Orleans.
Rachel.
Beautiful name, Rachel. And where are you from?
Powder Springs.
So, Boomba, what's your name, my dear? Where you from?
My name is Bree. I'm from Virginia. My name is Danielle. I'm from Jamaica.
Cumberland.
My name is Melody. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. Diana.
Nice to meet you, Diana. And tell me, where are you from?
Nigerian.
Will, Marietta.
Brian from Powder Springs.
Yeah, my name Juan. I'm from Miami. You know what I'm saying?
Rock from Atlanta.
So we're going on asking people what they think about the CDC bringing out that study that you shouldn't wash. It's dangerous to wash your raw meat. What do you think about that?
And they said it's dangerous to wash?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I hear a lot of stuff about like what happens to chicken in factories and stuff. So like, I just routinely always like make sure to wash my chicken anyway.
Talk to me. You like clean meat?
Clean meat?
Yes.
Yeah.
So, do you wash your meat before you cook it?
No, because it does not get rid of bacteria. The only thing that gets rid of bacteria on meat is actually cooking it.
What you mean?
There's talks going around that it's dangerous to wash raw meat. What's your take on that, bro?
I thought it would be cleaner just to wash it. I thought it would be a better idea. It's dangerous not to.
Perfect. And you?
I definitely think that you should wash your meat. I mean, it's raw and you're about to eat it, so obviously it should be clean.
Ladies love clean meat, okay?
How do you handle your meat?
I mean, I feel like you gotta watch the meat, man. I mean, I don't know. I saw this on the radio somewhere where they was saying that people don't watch meat, but I think, you know, I only heard it on black platforms. I don't know if they was trying to trick black people into not watching their meat and try and catch us slipping. I don't know what it was, but I feel like you gotta watch the meat, man. I just feel like you gotta watch the meat. Even if it don't do nothing, it make me feel good. It make me feel safe. You gotta watch the meat just to feel safe, you know what I'm saying?
Are you aware of the study the CDC brought out that washing your chicken before cooking it is dangerous?
I'm not aware of that study, but now I am.
Okay, so basically they're saying that it's dangerous to wash your meat before you cook it. Do you agree?
I don't know the science behind it, but I can kind of understand how that would be. Why do they say that it's dangerous? I'm just curious.
Because you can spread germs to, the kitchen table, other utensils and stuff like that.
But isn't that what washing the meat is for? Killing those germs?
Basically.
Big and serious. Because I know say anytime you have your girl over, you know, say you guys have to have your meat clean, right? So I want to know, do you guys like wash your meat?
Yeah.
I say you wash your meat, right?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Yeah, scrub that thing.
Do you wash your meat?
Yes, as everybody should.
Like, do you ladies like clean meat? Do you ladies like wash your meat
Yes.
before? What is it?
Yes, of course. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So let me ask you the big question. Do you wash your meat?
Do I wash my meat? Right, you need to wash your meat.
All right, so guys, I want to know, do you guys wash your meat?
For sure, man. You gotta wash your meat, man. You don't want to get bacteria and all that in your germs, man. I can't do it.
Wait, so the girl them not gonna eat it unless it's clean, right?
Yeah, you can't eat it unless it's clean, bro.
My boy already spitting that wisdom, that knowledge. You already know you gotta wash your shit. If you don't wash your shit, then what you doing?
So like, do you wash your meat?
I wash my meat.
Yeah. Do you wash your meat?
Yeah, I wash my dick. What's up with you?
I didn't even. All right.
Oh man,
I'm not talking about that type of meat. I'm talking about like chicken, like shit like that.
Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, when I cook it, sometimes.
Cause regardless, a girl gonna need clean meat, right?
Yeah, of course.
Do you wash your meat?
Oh yeah, definitely. Every bit of it.
So. Whoa, all right. Do you wash your meat before consuming it? All right, wait, hold on. All right, wait. Do you wash your chicken before you eat your chicken?
Definitely.
I mean, I don't think it can do any harm. I feel like it's actually the opposite, that if you don't wash your chicken, you kind of risk having something, I don't know, on your chicken that you cooked with it, and therefore you eat. I mean, that's just my opinion. People say different stuff, but I always wash my chicken anyway.
True, I always wash my meat too, because girls like clean meat, you know what I'm saying? So, how do you wash your meat?
Sometimes I use vinegar and water. Sometimes I use lemon and water or lime, like just any of those things. Like,
Just like every islander, just like every black people, you know what I'm saying? We use vinegar, we use lime, because I'm from Jamaica, we do the same thing, you know what I'm saying? So it goes to show you're a very clean girl.
Yeah.
So have you ever washed meat before?
I used to until I became a biology major.
So how did you wash it before?
Just rinse it with water like my mother taught me to.
So you're saying that you like your meat unwashed?
I'm not saying that. I mean, you're supposed to pat it dry. You're not supposed to wash it with water. Because, like, if you rinse something with water doesn't get rid of bacteria or anything. And so you're just spreading bacteria in the water all over the kitchen.
So not even a little lime or vinegar, no acids to, get rid of the bacteria?
I mean, if you pat it dry and then, like, put acid on it or whatever you want to do, like, that's cool. But the only thing that's going to actually kill microbes is cooking.
But wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Do you guys ever wash meat before?
Yeah, I have before.
And how do you do that?
Honestly, just water.
Just water?
Yeah.
Cold water? Hot water?
Usually cold.
Okay, and you?
I have not, actually.
Have not?
Never thought to.
What?
Wait, so you buy it and then you just cook it like that, or?
No?
For real?
Yeah.
She doesn't like clean meat, okay?
So how do you wash your meat?
How do I wash my meat? Usually I don't make my meat. I'm not gonna lie to you. Usually I let somebody else make the meat, but I make sure they wash the meat before I ingest the meat.
Have you ever washed your meat before?
I sure have. I do it every single time.
And how do you go about doing that?
I just rinse it. Okay, wait a minute. Now I see where you guys are getting. So I just pretty much rinse it, but that doesn't really clean the germs. You'd have to use soap and water, and I don't do that. You'd have to use soap and water, and I don't do that.
What?
We don't wash it with soap and water.
Soap and water for your meat?
I mean, to actually clean it, you'd have to use soap and water, but I don't do that. I just rinse it. But I mean, I kind of see where you guys are getting with this.
Listen, I just come here and I comment you on your natural air. You're a black woman. You don't cook, you don't rinse chicken with water and soap, Bobby.
I just do water. That's what I'm saying. But I'm saying that doesn't actually clean it if you're just using water.
Never used lime or vinegar before?
I have.
Okay, your black card. Here's your black card again. Take it back. All right. So you usually use vinegar or lime to wash your meat.
I mean, I like if you're saying wash, I just do water. But I mean to soak it, yeah, I'll use vinegar. I'll use like seasonings, yes.
Okay, so I just gave her back her black card. She's black. Thank you so much, darling. I love it here, by the way. Okay.
Thank you so much.
It's like, how do you guys wash your meat?
Dang, bro, you know, shit, that's kind of crazy. You know, with water, bro. You know, you gotta scrub it with the water, bro. That's all you gotta know.
I just do normal shower procedures.
Shower? Wait, hold on, guys. I'm talking about food here, man. I thought about. Wait.
You gotta wash the meat with the water. Yeah.
Meat in the shower.
In the shower?
My steak.
Your steaks in the shower. What you, boss? How you wash your meat?
Sure, babe. I think we just rinse it under the water, under the fountain, the faucet.
So you guys just use water?
Yeah, pretty much soap.
Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Soap? Wait, hold on.
You bugging. What do you recommend to wash it with?
Like not even a lime, vinegar, and type of citrus acids, anything like that? We need to use lime, lemon, or vinegar. Boom, bam. You see me?
Nah, I never thought of that.
That's fancy.
Fancy?
I heard something about that, like using lemons and like limes and shit to wash it.
Yeah, that's how Caribbean people wash their meat. You know, put some vinegar, some lime. You know what I mean? Not you don't get completely soak it in pure vinegar or lime juice, but you know, some acid to kill the bacteria. You know what I mean? Not just water, and definitely not soap. Sorry, dog. Is it? So like, yeah, you know, give it a try, guys. I'm just saying, like, you know, the CDC put out one study come talk about say it's dangerous to wash your meat because it spreads like bacteria to like utensils and the area around you. But that's under only the assumption you only do it with water. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, CDC trying to trick us black people. You see what I'm saying? Like, you see me? So I'm just saying. Lime and vinegar. What is it? Lime and vinegar when in the shower, right?
Yeah, lime and vinegar. When in the shower.
Yeah, in the shower. Yeah.
Nah, no soap.
No soap.
Nah, just lime and vinegar.
I want to try that lime and vinegar.
And how do you go about doing that?
Vinegar, lime. I don't think you should just do water. You could start off with that, but you need something like deeper, you know? You can't just, that's like washing your face with just water. It doesn't work like that. You need something stronger.
Where you from? Say it again?
Nigeria.
From the motherland. I'm telling you, man, these women are classy women, okay? Clean too. So you use vinegar and lime. What do you dip it? You soak it in some water?
Yeah, like my mom would actually like marinate, like for a long time. She would marinate things and everything. She made sure it's very clean. Like she definitely taught us. Like we don't play about that.
No soap and water.
No.
I'm gonna propose. Can you turn this off, please?
Okay, all of you ladies seem to like clean meat, you know, makes sense, you know, no type of germs, no type of cheese on the meat and all them things. They are mad. So, how do you wash your meat?
You my mom always taught me to remove everything from the sink and around that area and to just rinse it off in there. I mean, it's been sitting on a maxi pad for however long. Like, it needs to be washed off in there, and then you disinfect everything around that afterwards so you don't spread germs.
So you just use water?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on, what is it?
Vinegar and water.
Vinegar and water. Yeah, man, what about you, my dear?
Just water.
Just water? Yo, no disrespecting about, you're the only one I can eat from right to say, you know, is it?
So, I wash my meat, but how do you go about washing yours?
It's just a quick rinse under the water, just a quick rinse. Like, if you're defrosting it, then just splash it on the water. Just like put the meat, if it's like frozen, put it in the water and just like let it defrost, and that kills the germs along with that, I believe, yeah.
No acids, no vinegar, no lime juice, no nothing?
I mean, some people use lemon and stuff, but no acid, no, definitely no acid, because it should just be a water rinse, honestly. I mean, if you can put salt. You can use salt. My mom does that sometimes.
Wait, you just told me you're from where?
Nigeria.
No, you're not from Nigeria, my sister. Soap? You don't use soap on meat, no.
I said salt.
Oh, Okay, listen, I gotta give her back her black card. I took it back, you know what I mean? I took it back too quick, you know what I'm saying? I gotta give it back. So a little bit of salt.
Yeah, SALT, salt, yeah.
My apologies.
Very good. Not soap. That's a death sentence, honestly.
You know, we interviewed a couple people, and they said they use soap. What's your take on that?
You can't use soap for food. Soap is full of materials, dishes, spoons. You can't. That's a chemical. I'm sorry. You're gonna get sick.
So I know your boyfriend loves getting that clean meat from you, because you know his digestive system is going to be intact.
Definitely. I mean, we don't want anyone dying here. If you're cooking for them, please don't kill the person you're cooking for. You know, keep it healthy.
Tell these funky bastards to clean their meat.
Clean your meat. Use salt.
How do you guys wash your meat?
I mean, by hand. I mean, any other way to wash it, you put it in the water, you clean it, man. I mean, what you gonna do? I mean, it's been packaged like for how many days, hours, so you gotta make sure you put it on the water and make sure it's clean before you put it to boil.
Okay, what about you?
Shit, I mean, bar soap, regular soap. It's like, nah, play. You gotta put this stuff on it. You gotta clean it. You gotta make sure you good with it. You feel me? Because if you're not good, she not good. Point blank, period.
Wait, hold on. I want to make sure we're talking about the same type of meat. I'm talking about chicken or anything like that. Like, where is it? Soap?
Dish soap, regular soap, don't matter. As long as it's clean, it ain't got no germs on it, no bacteria, no nothing.
Hey, man, I don't know about you, but I don't use soap to clean my chicken, man. Just water, you know? I'm not trying to get chemicals in my dang throat, man.
So, hold on. Not even lime, vinegar, anything like that?
Just water. I mean,
how do you wash your meat?
You know, wash it, water, my hands. I ain't finna use no soap or nothing.
Right, not like that.
So just water?
Yeah.
So
my hands getting out, little nasty stuff.
So what about little lime, vinegar, anything like that?
Of course. You gotta season that.
I come from Nigeria, man. You just clean it with water, man. Just the water. And then you put it in the bowl, put the seasoning, you good, man. You don't need all that lime and vinegar or whatever.
I mean, you can't boil it, though, too.
What do you wash your chicken with?
I mean, sometimes water, but yeah, definitely vinegar or lemon juice. Lemon juice is good. Yeah, it's better. It kills like germs, bro. It kills like that outside layer of whatever you got going, because from the store, it could be sitting there for like 7 days and then you get it. And you gotta wash it, man.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Because I know the CDC says that, it's dangerous to wash your meat before you consume it. And and when I read these articles, it just from the perspective from just washing it with just water. You know what I mean? But Caribbean people, for sure, use a type of acid like citrus juice or vinegar. Yeah.
Acidic's good.
Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Negus, Imara, and I just spoke to some nasty people that didn't wash their meat. I gotta go.
Boom, teeth and I'm here, brother, alright? Brother, money I meat from a dirty girl, dog. What? Wait, not like that, dog, not like that.
What you mean?
She never wash her meat before me eat it, dog.
So it tastes?
Like mackerel.
Jesus Christ, funeral home.